Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Hopefully the audio is okay. I'm trying a new mic, so let me know how you guys like this audio noise. Um, so yeah, today's video I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite things that I use to do my nails. So last video I show you how I do these kind of nails. They're gel-X and they're like super easy. I feel like for any beginners. So if you wanna look into how I do these, I'll link the video down below for you guys. But yeah, I'll show you basically what I use and like where I buy them to do these kind of nails, like the gel-X. They last like 2+ weeks and without like seeing any lifting. So I feel like I got the technique down and I know like which things to use and like the steps and everything. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well if you like to watch more of these kind of videos or vlogs or anything like that. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Also, let me know how you guys like this kind of background. Like I do like having like my books and everything, but I think I need to organize a little bit more. But anyways, the first thing I want to show you guys, and like that I think is like super necessary if you start doing your nails, it's investing into a nice like Dremel or like an electric file. This one is from Savland. It's not my favorite, but it's the one that I currently use. It works pretty well. It comes with like different kind of like heads, so you can just replace them depending on what you need to do or use them for. So it comes with different ones, and it has like different levels. Like I'll show you guys right here real quick. Turn it on, and it has like all the different levels that you can like switch between. And then you also have for like a forward and a reverse, which I think is like super useful, especially if you are using like different hands. And then you just pause it by clicking on the top button, and then you just charge it via USB, and it lasts pretty long. I don't think I've charged it since I got it, so like it already came pre-charged, and it's been a while since I last bought it. So feel like you really need to invest in one of these to prep your nails before you start doing either acrylics or gel-X or anything like that. I can also link down below the other one that I was using, which I think was better. I feel like this one I'm still kind of getting the hang of it to see which speeds to use and all of that. So I'll link both of them so you guys can check it out. Next thing that I think you should really invest on and you should get, it's a lamp. It's a nail lamp. This one, it was pretty inexpensive, and I think it's like very basic and does the work. It says the brand is like LKE, and it has a 99, 60, and 30 seconds. I think it's an LED lamp. Uh, it plugs into your wall, which I feel like it's better instead of a USB one, but um, you guys could have an option. But this, I basically use it for whenever I'm like painting the actual nails. I dry them underneath this, and it fits my whole hand. So it saves me so much more time rather than getting the small ones that you have to do nail by nail. I can just do the whole hand and dry them up. And then the other lamp that I really use is this one. It has like this flexible head, and this is very useful for whenever I'm doing the gel-X nails, because I can just clip it to like my desk or anywhere, and then I can move it however I want and then just hold the nail underneath that. So this one you would have to do nail by nail, but I feel like it's better for gel-X, and you can just control it with this. It has, I think, like 3 or 4 different intensities. So, and whenever I save it away, I just wrap it around like this, and I feel like it takes little to no space. So I'll link both of these down below for you guys. If you are not into gel-X and just doing like gel or painting your nails, something like that, then I think like this one will be better. But if you're doing gel-X, then something like this is like super useful. Thing is to do the nail tips. My favorite nail tips are these ones right here. You can get them at Amazon, and I don't think they're like super expensive. They always have like different sales. The only downside is that they changed their box design, and I feel like it's like so bulky, it's like so big. They used to have like a half the size of a box. But yeah, they have like different sizes. These are basically these ones that I have right here. So they're almond shaped, and they're kind of like medium to small-ish. And I have really thin fingers, like very small. So for like sizes, these are perfect to finding like what size I use. Pretty much I only use like this section right here. So I always like just save this for whenever I'm doing like somebody else's nails or something like that. And they last pretty long. They're pretty flexible. And in the same topic of doing like gel-X, this was the only like gel glue that I found that helped my nails last so long. I used to buy the Beetle ones, and literally my nails started lifting within a few days or like a week. And with this one, this is 6-in-1 nail glue gel. Um, this one is so good. Like my nails last 2+ weeks, like literally, and I don't see any lifting. The only downside for this is that they only sell it in this tiny bottle. I think that's the only way that I've bought it. Yeah, it's from Gel Like EC. So I'll link it down below. I know that they also like go on sale every now and then. So again, it looks like this. It's really cute, and also like I feel like I've used other gel like um nail glues or like gel-X, and like underneath it like still stays sticky, like it doesn't really dry well, and then it gets like dirty underneath it. Like with this one, it actually like dries pretty well. I don't know if you can glue rhinestones with this as well, but I only use it for my gel-X nails. And last but not least is my favorite nude color like base for whenever I do nails like this, or like whenever I do like French nails. It's this one. This is from Beetles. It's on the shade B071. It's honestly like so good. Like I had been searching for a nude shade or like something that looked very natural for like the base, so that I wouldn't just have the bare nails and then like just the color on top, like French or something like that, or design. This looks so natural. Like I feel like you couldn't even tell that I applied this gel color as the base. And it lasts so long. Like I've done my nails just like this for like whenever I do a simple nail set and they don't chip, and it lasts so long. Those are all the things that I use are like a must for whenever I'm doing my nails, and it helps for my nails to last more than 2 weeks. Everything I'll list it down below for you guys. I think I got everything from Amazon, and I don't have an Amazon storefront, so I don't make money from anything that I link down below, just for you guys to help you guys out if you are starting to do your nails, and for you guys to save money as well, so you don't have to go to the nail salon. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know if you want like other nail tips or like recommendations. I can do another video like that, or like Instagram or TikTok. I'll also leave my social media links down below for you guys. And yeah, I hope that you guys like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.